guys, Nick Noto here. Welcome back to another video. Finally back at the Janes Avenue Skate Park. There was a tornado 2 days ago, and coming back here for the first time. This place luckily wasn't damaged by the tornado, but the tornado was pretty bad. It was an EF3 tornado, and it destroyed a lot of homes. And actually, just down the street from here, like on this street that this park is at, it has so many destroyed houses and a lot more destruction just in like the next 4 towns. It was really bad. My neighborhood got hit pretty bad. But yeah, let's get into this video.
Low power.
That was a feeble right there. I should try whipping the ramp. My bad.